So, you got a Dodge, car won't start, everything works in the car, lights come on, radio work, windows roll down. That mean your battery good. So it's not your battery, but your car still won't crank. What could it be? All these long tail videos about what it could be. Ain't nobody telling you what it is. They just talk, 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 talk. So let me tell you what it is. 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be your starter. Because I just had that same issue of mine. It left me stranded. And I tried everything in the book. Battery, tried to jump the down relay, everything. And guess what it was? It was the starter. So, just letting you know. My super short show.